Hello everyone, today I filmed this fun green eyeshadow look for you today. Who said that you have to do red lips for holiday makeup? Let's break the rules and let's go.
Alright, what you're seeing right now is I'm applying my concealer under my eyes and over my eyelids to conceal. What you didn't see off camera is I already used my Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the color. I don't have the cover. I'll list it down below. So now we're just blending. And I'm using the Real Techniques blending sponge, which is super awesome and a lot cheaper than a Beauty Blender. And to brighten up my eye just a little bit, I'm adding the NYX Cosmetics Shape Tape in the color Light Medium, I believe, just to add a little more brightness under the eyes. Now I'm setting my lid with the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D. It's in the light shade, it's a little yellow, and it's called Lyric. And I'm setting my upper eye with that color just to make sure that all of the colors that I put on my eye will blend easily. Now I'm going back to that Shade and Light palette and I'm deepening my crease in the color Subconscious. Now I'm just making sure I'm really blending that color into the crease and making sure it looks really smooth and there's no harsh lines. Oh, you can see my cat in the background. Now I'm going in with the Tarteist Pro palette using the color Classic for my underneath my brow bone. Just making sure that's really blended in with that transition shade that's in my crease. And now this is the star of the show, is this NYX eyeshadow. Look how pretty it is. It's like a dark green gray color. Super pretty. I'm going to apply this with my finger. Oh, and the color of the eyeshadow is Jaded. And I'm just packing that all over my lid, making sure it's really pigmented and covering and not exceeding the crease because we're going to blend another shade later on. Alright, so now we're going back in with the Shade and Light color and we're going to blend some of those eyeshadows so it's not too harsh. And to really get that color pigment on the lid, I'm going in with a flat eyeshadow brush from Eco Tools and just really packing on that green color. Next, I'm going back in with the palette with the color Edgy. And this is what's really going to darken up our crease and make this look really smoky. So here I'm just blending it in with a fluffier brush. The eyeshadow isn't blending and going in the direction that I want it to. So I'm going to be blending here for quite some time, you can see. And to really kind of darken up that crease, I went in with a new brush. This is a smaller blending brush from Makeup Geek, and it's really packing on the color, going where I want it to, and just making it look more smoky. And after blending forever, it's starting to come together. Just blending with that fluffier blending brush. Sure there's no harsh lines. Now we're going in with the color Bold from the same palette. And we're kind of using that as a transition shade into our brow bone to make sure everything is really smooth. Now I'm going back in with the green shade to make it more pigmented since we lost some of it during blending. I'm going to do some last minute blending as well. Next, I'm going to add that same green shade in my lash line, right where my lashes are, and start building up that color. Now I'm going in with the color Glam from the same palette, and I'm just going to lighten up my inner tear duct to give some shimmer. And now I'm beginning to set my T-zone with this Kat Von D powder foundation powder thing. I'll list it down below. And I'm just really focusing on my T-zone where I get a little bit more oily.
and then I'll finish up the rest of my face with this translucent powder from the Balm. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay liquid eyeliner, which is normally really awesome, but I think mine is drying out a little bit, so I was skipping a little bit on my eyelid, but you see I kind of start from the middle, drag out the line, and then drag back, and then I finish towards the inner corner of my eye. That's kind of my eyeliner technique. So I'm filling it in. I didn't like how black it was, so then I finished it with the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. And if you see, I get very upset because my eyes were not even. Time to move on. Now I'm going back in with the Shaded Light palette to kind of bronze up my cheekbones, maybe chisel them a little bit, warm up my face. And I'm also going to bring that down onto my neck, so my neck and my face match. Also getting my ears, because you don't want your ears looking a lot lighter than your face. And finishing up with this Pacifica blush. Lighting up those under eyes one more time really quickly. And now I'm going in with this liquid lipstick from ColourPop. It's in the color 951 from iluvsarahii. This is my favorite liquid lipstick from ColourPop. I just love this shade, it's great. Now it's time for the lashes. I don't really feel like doing a super dramatic lash because I'm going to a holiday party that's not too fancy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut off the wispy corner of my eyelash. These are the Ardell wispies that you can just get from the drugstore. I'm cutting them apart with these tiny little scissors. You can see there. And then I did it to both sides. And I lined them up next to each other to make sure they were the same length. Now I'm putting glue on both of the lashes. This looks blue on camera, but this glue dries black, and now I'm just waiting for it to get tacky. So I'm just blowing on the lash, waiting for it to get tacky. This duo glue just takes a little bit too long to get tacky. So now that I'm ready to put the lash on, I'm using tweezers and I'm looking down. Make sure you're looking down so you can see where your lashes, where they go in what direction. So I'm looking down and I place them with tweezers and I'm smushing them merging them between my natural lashes. So I'm just squeezing them together, making sure they're blended. Alright, now that the lashes are done, we're almost on with the look. Now I'm just going in with my Wet n Wild setting spray. This stuff is my favorite. Your makeup won't move. And oh my gosh, I forgot the best part, and that's highlight. Okay, highlighting my nose really fast. I can't believe I forgot this part. I love highlight. And this is Champagne Pop from Becca Cosmetics. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys and ladies enjoy. I had a really great time filming this look. I hope you rock this at some of your holiday parties, and have a safe and happy new year. Bye.